Let me show you how you can create a new Excel sheet on the iPhone. So if you are new on Foxtecc channel, subscribe and we can get started. So you will need to use an app for this purpose. There are more apps you can pick, but at first, I'm going to show you the official Microsoft Excel, which you can look up on the App Store. This is what it looks like. It recently got a new logo redesign, but yes, it is freely available for you to download. The only problem with this app is that for the first time, you have to use the app with the account and you need to have an active subscription to actually get the most out of the app. Without the subscription, you can only open existing files and read them, but you cannot create brand new ones. But as you can see, I'm signed in and I have the account ready and I'm subscribed. In which case, you can click on the bottom and click on the create button right there. And now you have the ability to go with a template, right? Like you can see, I can go for a calendar template right in here and choose from those, or I can click on the plus button, which is going to start with a brand new fully white, fully blank spreadsheet. So let's say I'm going to click on the plus button. As such, you can see there is literally nothing in there except for the spreadsheets, which wait for me to be filled out. So that's how you can start a new file, right? Let's say that I'm going to type something in here as example. And now I can essentially save it or export it. So if I click on share, I can click on send a copy, and you can see that this file, which is called book, is in the Office spreadsheet format, and I can share it over any app I want, or I can save it somewhere to my Files app so I can access it later. But as you can see inside of the App Store, if you don't want to use the official Microsoft Excel, there are other apps for spreadsheet creation. For example, some random ones which you probably never heard of, but also some very common ones like Google Sheets, which is like freely available, and you can also get the app and start a new project, start a new spreadsheet, and of course use it even without the paid subscription, right? So you don't have to necessarily stick with the Microsoft platform. As you can see, there are more apps to pick between. Of course, the Apple numbers as well. That's the official Apple's way to make spreadsheets. So definitely give it a try as well. But that's going to be about it, and I'll talk to you in the future uploads as well.